There's water in the tank right now. When I turn it on, there's no mist. The light works. But there's no mist coming out. And there's water in it.